Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400 and in this video I will show you how to enable portable hotspot on this laptop. First, click the three icons on your status bar, then make sure that your laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click this icon right here to go to the next page, and to enable mobile hotspot, click this icon once. If you right-click this icon and select Go to Settings, you will be able to change the settings of a mobile hotspot by switching this toggle. You can turn it on and off. In this section, you can select which way you want to share your data. You can use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This toggle lets you turn on and off the power saving mode. Down below, you can change the network properties by clicking Edit and then entering the network name in this field, network password in this field, and changing network band by expanding this list and selecting the value that you need. To apply settings, click Save. As you can see, you can also scan this QR code using other devices' camera to connect to this mobile hotspot. And right below, you can see the list of devices that are connected with your mobile hotspot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.